we said, okay, why we have to boycott it? We came with the idea called a black carpet. So every evening, we used to roll our black carpet in front of ESG office. And we used to carry our protest programs. So it was a very innovative kind of a protest. And later, this group resulted into a firm called Goa Rakhad Manch.
Yeah, what we come to know with experiences of all three is that Willie has used it for the purpose of literature, reaching out his literature to the world audience, and just not with text but with audio book. Right. So there is one thing, Anvesha's thing is completely different, where it is more of a socio-cultural thing, or basically wishing everybody, which spreads very fast. That is the most popular thing right now. Wishing on any occasion. And the third thing is about the activism or educational part, how new media can be used. So these are the three things we have. But more than that, I would like to ask, when we say Konkani, what is the scope? Is it just literature? Is it just wishing? Is it just activism? Or something more than that? The social media can be used or has been used, or which is not being used, which needs to be used. What do you feel?
Yeah, you rightly said that it has to encompass a whole lot of the Konkani in totality. It is not like I might be wanting to project my literature or social messages or say protests. But the most important thing is, as we were discussing earlier, most important thing is that Konkani has to go globally, because Konkani is there everywhere in the world, and then the world comes to Konkani, Goa also. So keeping this in mind, I think we have to keep on experimenting on such new ways of reaching to the people. Like mine could be just recording and putting it up. It does not end over there. It does not end over there. There could be more innovative. If the same thing could go through Facebook. If the same thing now with the smartphones, everybody having smartphones, the same facilities there now to reach everybody through this media also. So it is not just literature or greeting or protest, but we have to deliberate and get more avenues.
म्हाका फक्त एकूच मुद्दो मांडपाचो आसा की when we say about new media, emergence of a new media, what do you mean by that? What is the nuances of it? की new media means on demand content. म्हाका जाय तेन्ना. It's about my convenience. तूं एक हांव बूक बरयतलो और पिक्चर शूट करतलो ते थिएटरान लायतलो और बूक बरयतलो ते न्यूजपेपर बूक स्टॉलार दवरतलो अशें न्ही. I want it. म्हाका जाय तेन्ना. On demand content. So who creates the on demand content? वो content करपी कोण? जर जे भुरगे फेसबुकार आसा, व्हॉट्सएपार आसा, ट्विटराचेर आसा, तांकां कित्याक दिसचें की आपणें कोंकणीपण आपलें थंय घालचें, आपलें कल्चर आपणें शेअर करचें और आपली लँग्वेज शेअर करची. सो हाका एक वेगळे तरेचो माहोल आमी तयार करचो पडटलो टू शेअर द ऑनलायन कॉन्टेंट.
जस्ट युगांपाचोच पॉयंट मुखार व्हरतना खूबदां आमकां अशें दिसता म्हणजे तरणाट्यांचेर आरोप जाता की ते आज वाचनात, बुक्स वाचनात, पूण तरणाट्यांचे मिडियम्स बदलल्या. खंय तरी म्हणजे युगांका सारकेल्लो राज्यभारांक सुद्दां हाता कडेन मोबायल आसा, फोन आसा, ओपन करतलो आनी वाचतलो. सो आमचे जे लेखक आसा किंवा म्हणजे कोणी आसा ते त्या मिडियमा मेरेन पावता काय कितें. म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता जेन्ना हांव फेसबूक ओपन करता आनी हेमाबाई नायक आसा हांगा किंवा रमेश बाब वेळुस्कार सारकेले लेखक आसा तांचें कितें तरी डिस्कशन चालू आसा फेसबुकार आनी तें वाचपाक म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता. कारण म्हज्या मिडियमांतल्यान म्हाका एक खंयचो तरी वेटरन रायटर ताजे विचार वाचपाक मेळटा. पूण हें जाता काय कितें. आनी दुसरे संदेशान जो प्रश्न विचारलो की कोंकणी म्हळ्यार फक्त लँग्वेज काय कितें. म्हाका दिसता कोंकणी इज अ वे ऑफ लायफ. सो आमी जेन्ना इंटरेक्ट करता फेसबुका वयल्यान म्हाका फेसबूक जावं वॉट्सएप जावं म्हाका खूब जाण म्हणटात की ना गो ते देवनागरीन टायप करपाक त्रास जाता तो युनिकोड फॉर्मेट. कोणें सांगला देवनागरीन टायप करपाक जाय म्हणून. आमी जशें उलयतात म्हणजे आमी रोमन जशें हें करतात तशें आमी टायप करून धाडलें. It is about interacting in the language you are comfortable with. It is not about a script or a dialect. रोमी थंय शास्त्रोक्त रोमी बरोवनूच तूं इंटरेक्ट करूंक शकता असो हें ना, पूण इंटरेक्शन तरी आमी ज्या स्वाभावीक लँग्वेजीन आसा तातूंत जाता तातूंत.
In fact, I'm glad that this is happening. हें जाता. यूज बॉबिंग बसलो आहा आमचे फेसबुकाचेर पळय आमचे ग्रुप्स आसा ते एक खोशी भोगता सांगपाक की आमचे इंटरेक्शन कोंकणीन जाता. कोंकणीन कसो आसा कित्याक कोंकणीन परबी दिवप कोण इंग्लिशीन घातले पासून जाल्यार हांव जाल्यार मुद्दम कोंकणीन बरो तें करता. सो मेन हेतू म्हणटा पळय तो ही मिडिया इनोवेटीव मिडिया आमच्या हातान आसा ती आमी आमची कोंकणी आमी इंग्लीश उलयताच दुबाव आमकां इंग्लीश मिडियम इंग्लीश उलयता एड्युकेशनान आसात पूण ही कोंकणी ही सारकी जिबी दवरून आमकां ही आदार केला आमकां.
Just मुखार वचचे पयलीं I would just ask the audience could cooperate. How many of you are on the Facebook? Can you please raise your hand? Facebook. Yes. How many people are on Twitter? Okay. How many people use YouTube frequently? Very good. Okay. How many people browse Goa-based or something Goa-related websites? And how many people use all these things on their mobile? Okay, just मुखार वतना ह्या गजालीचे. No, I was asking about now. हे सगळ्यो गजाली तुम्ही सांगल्यो. That is fine. That is one thing. But the scope is only in literature. Or what are the other बाकीची खंयची गजालींतल्यान जावपाक जाय खंयच्यो गजाली जावच्यो बिसायड्स ओके लिटरेचर एक आमकडे रेडी आसता लिटरेचर आमी हें करता आनी खंयच्यो गजाली जावच्यो ताणी सांगलें ओके बर्थडे विशीस वा आनी कितें तसो
म्हाका
आनी बेसिकली वन मोर क्वेश्चन आय वॉन्टेड टू आस्क इज दॅट रिलेटेड टू दॅट हू विल क्रिएट इट.
तर एकूच पयरचो एक्सपिरियन्स सांगता की हांव ऋषिकेशा कडेन जेवतना उलयतालो तो की पयर एक मोठ्या फंक्शनाक जो इंटरनॅशनल इव्हेंटाक की आमचे युनिवर्सिटींतल्यान आनी सगळे कॉलेजींतल्यान भुरगे आयले आमचेच भितरले म्हणजे दोज आर ऑलरेडी इनवॉल्ड इन अ सोशल सर्कल ऑर कल्चरल सर्कल आमची युवा महोत्सव ढोल तासो आनी कासाळें आशिल्लें ऑलमोस्ट 100 भुरगे आशिल्ले एकट्याकूय वाजोवपाक कळना. एक्चुअली खरें म्हळ्यार शोकांतिका गोंयचे एकट्याकूय रोमाट वाजोवपाक कळना सादें घंटेकटर सुद्दां वाजोवपाक कळना कॉलेजीन शिकपी भुरगे. मागीर एकट्यान ताका विचारलें आपल्याक शिकपा जाय खंय मेळटलें. डायरेक्टली वेंट टू द यूट्यूब आनी शिगमो टायप केलो खंयचो तरी ताका रोमटामेळ मेळ्ळो. जर कोणें तरी यूट्यूबार तो शेअर करूं नाशिल्लो ताजो आनी शिगम्याचो संबंदूच केन्ना येवचो नाशिल्लो. सो कोंकणी इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट लिटरेचर. कोंकणी इज अ म्युजीक. कोंकणी इज सिनेमा. आनी ह्यो ज्यो म्युजीक और सिनेमान ज्यो घडामोडी घडटा आनी त्यो सोशल मिडियाचेर येना न्यू मिडियाचेर येना जाल्यार ताजो नव्या मनशा कडेन संपर्क तुटता. सो आय थिंक की कॉन्टेंट तयार करप ही आमची सगळ्यांची जबाबदारी आसा. वॉट वी आमी आमचे कडेन जे आसा ते शेअर करपाक.
Just adding to what Yugam said, I think lot of content is already ready, which also needs to be translated in our languages. We don't need to really look म्हणजे तुम्ही कशें म्हणटा की लिटरेचर आमी परत म्हणटा. There are so many things, maybe websites म्हण government websites आसा apps आसा, there are a lot of things which are already ready which needs to come in our languages also. So it's not always about the original literature we are talking about. Of a simple thing म्हणजे कोण तयार करतलो होच येना प्रत्येकदा प्रश्न येता तेन्ना maybe some people might not come forward with original things, but is it really difficult to at least translate what already exists?
I would just want to add what Sandesh and Yugam said also that it is not only literature but music. We had this concept of coming out with 10 songs and coming out with the CD. Okay, Konkani, many of the Konkani Kantar singers. But now a new trend has come that one name I can remember immediately is Rosario Estevero, photographer. He composes a song, a single, makes a video, and he puts it. Now he gets more exposure than a theatrist would take a CD with 10 songs and sell it for 150 rupees. You know, he's using it for that.
Main thing is that I feel whenever we create something, we shoot it and all. We basically don't go to upload because I have one person here, our friend Frederick Noronna. Even right now he is shooting it. And he is shooting it because he is going to upload it. Wherever he goes, I see him, he always does it. I really don't mind, Frederick, you can spare your experience with others. You don't want to share your experience. You don't want what you are doing. You don't want others to know what you are doing. You don't want others to know. It's secret. Yeah, this is one thing. एक आणि एक गजाल तुम्ही म्हणजे की बरोवपा बाबतीतलो प्रॉब्लेम जाता ओके what I see nowadays like when I started with my thing was okay out of necessity and also out of curiosity I learned typing Devanagari okay otherwise I was typing English I learned it and that time I was telling so many people I will teach you it is just in half an hour I can teach you okay still people were not willing to but now that thing is on rise. Many people are using it. What is your?
No, it is also because of the softwares that are ready to that is available for a free download on Android software, especially the Google Devanagari input. So you can turn your keyboard into a phonetic keyboard within a tap. You just have to tap it on a keyboard. And phonetically, how, H-A-N-V, it goes how. It's very easy. So that's why we see that many people using Devanagari script on a Facebook these days. And not only in Konkani, but overall Marathi and Hindi Sutta. A lot of people type in Devanagari script.
There's another software that has come called Swar Chakra. जे कोंकणीन certain तुरफार जे म्हणतात ते it was difficult to get through this Google output. So there is another software which has come which is more easier now. So there are a lot of softwares which are coming. It's very easy. I think none of us learned the computer language from. I mean, it's not a mother tongue. We all learned it. So if we really want to learn something, I think it's easy. You can just learn it.
Wikipedia, just one, yeah.
Swar Chakra.
Swar Chakra. It is SWARCHAKRA. Chakra. Swar Chakra. Yeah. Wikipedia is a concept which got developed and everything you get on Wikipedia today. All kind of references. The best place for reference is Wikipedia. Somehow, and just not in English. It's in all the languages. If I want something on Marathi, then I go to Wikipedia, and that is the language I understand. The other language besides Konkani, and I get it. If I type something about Konkani, I don't get it. Basically, Wikipedia needs to be developed by everybody. Why do we need Goa University to full encyclopedia? Full encyclopedia, okay, you need one institution, fine, no problem. But why do we need only institutions to do this job?
कोंकणी विकिपीडिया project actually चालू असा. It's in the process actually, and some of the MA students are dealing with it. It's in incubation, and I think it's going live within some months. But even they are facing this problem that people are not coming forward to edit. If there are a particular number of edits, only then it will go live. So why it's getting delayed is because of that.
No, there are organizations because I know that the Dalgada Konkani Academy is already working on Konkani on the Wikipedia. I don't know how far they have reached, but I know that the work has started. It's going on. Yeah.
Okay. This is one thing. Like Willie, you said that you did your, uploaded your audio. Nowadays, okay, we sometimes get news from some writers and all, that their book is now available on the net. It's available on Amazon. Now there is competition. Earlier Flipkart was very reserved. Flipkart didn't want very few books and hardly any readership. So they were not taking basically books per se from Goa. Except few English books, but basically Konkani books they were not taking. But now there is a lot of competition. Now Flipkart is there, Amazon is there, eBay has come, others have come, everybody is coming. So e-books, I mean the books on sale on internet is okay, fine. Don't find any e-books, that many e-books in Konkani. Whether in Devanagari or in Brahmi or anything, I am not talking about that. But basically that PDF file, which ultimately the printer requires, when it sends for printing, you require file in PDF format. If you just upload that PDF format on the net, okay, the ebook is available for everybody. In any case, they are not going to buy your book. So are we afraid that if we upload our ebook, okay, then the people who are going to buy from Goa will stop buying? What is it?
I think we should not be afraid of this, because finally we want readers, we want our company to go out to everybody. And in fact, Frederick told me this when I said I had this audio book to be uploaded, and he asked me, do you expect any monetary gain from that? I said no. Then let's put it up for free. It is there for free for downloads. And I did not feel like, because I have not spent anything to put it up. I've done it at home. I'm not. So it's good. I'm happy that my book is being heard. So I think this idea of I was not technically aware of this, that this PDF itself could be put, but I can definitely put this suggestion up to Dankada Konkani Academy, who have been publishing so many books in Konkani now, and they already have these files with them. So they can be there up for free. Let the people from outside read them for free.
I think being small is sometimes a disadvantage, or maybe we are either not really concerned about the global reader who does not get the advantage of reading a hard copy and who is dependent on this e-book. We are either not concerned, or maybe we feel that the global reader is not interested in regional languages. Maybe.
From publishers, sorry.
For example, we can get hardcover very hard in Canada or elsewhere. So online, you can download, you can hear.
Yeah.
So you,
Right.
you get access.
From publisher's point of view, can Hemabhai throw some light? You have published so many books. Are the PDF available? Can it be uploaded? Have you thought of it?
No, there should be a download charge. Download charge, little nominal charges. Anybody can afford nominal charges. Because you save paper, you save delivery, you save. Now I ordered a book on Amazon, it is taking forever. They said 5 days delivery. Post-colonialism, which is not available, rather go to a bookstore and buy. But to buy from Amazon, it takes forever. Now it has not come 10-12 days.
It's again की we have to आमकां ह्या हाजे कडेन जुळोवन घेवचें पडटलें, and many of the Indian languages do face these problems. I think the only the language which is going global and PDF तांगेले येता म्हणटा तें it's Bengali, because some of my friends are very well connected with this PDF thing. आणि इवन हिंदी कळ्ळें आनी म्हजे JNUतले फ्रेंड आसा ते डेवलप्ड अ सायट ऑफ रघुवीर सहाय, आनी थंयचो सगळे कविता संग्रह तांचे कडेन आसा. एंड अगेन दिस अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ बुक्स म्हाका खबर ना की हाका ग्लोबल बिजनस कसो आसा. One of my friend wanted to buy a book of Andrei Tarkovsky, Sculpting in Times. Okay, he just saw on Amazon, आणि भायले book इंडियन हाडप खूब म्हारग आसता. I don't know why. पूण 3000 तो book आसा आंद्रे तार्कोवस्कीचो, फक्त 200 pages book आसा. I said, you are a fool, because I already have a copy of the book, PDF copy of it. So हातूंतल्यान तुजें documentation उरता, plus availability. What I call it as a on-demand content. म्हाका जाय तेन्ना जाय. तूं फ्लिपकार्टार दितलो तो तुका एका म्हयन्यान हाडून दितलो. सो हातूंत PDF content म्हाका दिसता जावपा जाय, and that is the future जर आमचें लिटरेचर उरतलें.
Any questions from the audience?
I have a question, Sandesh. When we search for literature, say short stories of any of the great English writers, you get plenty of it. There's a lot, of course, once you cross a copyright 70-year-old, 70 period of time, then it's all easily accessible. So you can read Shakespeare, either Maupassant, Edgar Allan Poe, all the poets. There are so many websites. But when I tried to search for Konkani short stories or poetry or literature, I found very little. And I actually started my own KonkaniStories.blogspot.com. I put up Shenwe Vaibhav's first story, Miliba, Queen and one of Bai's Tamil Moses stories and all that. But then I didn't have enough time. I scanned a lot of books and I was going to put them up. So why doesn't why don't the institutions which are government institutions which are working on Konkani allocate a cell or allocate funds? Why don't they allocate funds specifically to ensure that there's a huge outflow of our print literature into that? Nowadays you can do OCR, all the Roman script books can just do optical character recognition, convert them into text, so online text, and edit it and put it up. So is it that our institutions are not really allocating funds and efforts towards this?
म्हाका हांव खूब डायरेक्ट उलयता ह्या प्रश्ना कडेन कळ्ळें की उदो अन्वेशांनी विकिपीडियाचो इशू सांगलो की वी नीड अ इन्स्टिट्यूशनल पार्टिसिपेशन इन टू इट. ओके, हांगा देर आर मेनी इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स इन गोवा वीच आर सेट अप बाय द गव्हर्मेंट फॉर द डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ दॅट लँग्वेज. आनी इन 21st century डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ लँग्वेज डजंट मीन पब्लिशींग ओनली बुक्स. तांचें डिस्ट्रिब्युशन खूब म्हत्वाचें आसता इन 21st century. ओके, हांगा फंडिंग्स येता हें सगळें बरोबर आसा की एक अशा इन्स्टिट्यूशनांनी जबाबदारी घेवपाची. येस, यू आर व्हेरी करेक्ट, दे शूड एस्टॅब्लिश अ सेल. हांगा आमचो ट्रान्सलेशन विभाग जावपा खातीर आमकां इतल्यो खटाटोप करच्यो पडटा. दे हॅव टू कम वीथ दिस फॅक्ट की येस, द टायम्स हॅव चेंज, द टायम्स आर चेंजींग. आनी जशें आतां वेगळ्यो वेगळ्यो स्किमी आसा पुस्तक पब्लिकेशनाच्यो, तशी एक सेल आसपा जाय की दॅट वील टेक दस कॉन्टेंट टू द वेब वर्ल्ड. आनी तितले पयशे लेखकाक मेळटले आनी पब्लिशराक मेळटले. हांव विलीबाबान सांगलें की विलीबाब डीड आउट ऑफ हिज ओन वील, पूण खंयच्या लेखकान फुकट कित्याक दिवचें सरकाराक आपलें पुस्तक. सो म्हाका दिसता की एक स्पेसिफीक फंडींग आसपा जाय की त्या लेखका कडल्यान पब्लिशरा कडल्यान ते रायट्स घेवन ती PDF फॉर्मेटान वेबसायटीचेर अवेलेबल करून दिवपा जाय. म्हाका दिसता की दिस इज अ नेसेसिटी इन 21st century इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ अ लँग्वेज.
I think I found a way out of giving media to, Konkani through media to a lot of people by creating trolls. I think Sandesh bhai, you also be knowing about it. But today, I think Konkani is very new to this new media, and we have a whole lot of data to be bulldozed on the media. If I am ready to do it tomorrow, I am investing my time. Who is going to pay me? That's my question.
So is it not happening only because you are not getting money?
ना म्हाका हांव खूब रियलिस्टीक पॅराडायमांतल्यान पळयता ऋषिकेशाचो प्रश्न की ओके, आमी पयलीं डिबेट चलताली की हू हॅज टू क्रिएट दीस कॉन्टेंट. ओके, कांय गजाली बाबतींत ओके, शेअरिंग इज ऑल्सो कॉन्टेंट. म्हाका कितें दिसता तें हांव शेअर करपाक शकता. खंयचें म्युजीक म्हजे कडेन आयलो, खंयचो आल्बम आयलो, खंयचें तरी पद अशें, एट आय कॅन अपलोड इट ऑन अ वेगळे वेगळे सोशल मिडिया प्लॅटफॉर्म्स. बट दिस विकिपीडिया, सपोर्टींग अ विकिपीडिया, पुस्तकां तुजे हाजेर घालप, वेबसायटीचेर घालप, इट रिक्वायर्स अ इन्स्टिट्यूशनल पार्टिसिपेशन टू इट. कांय गजाली इन्स्टिट्यूशनान फुडाकार घेवन करच्यो पडटल्यो.
There are two things. एक गजाल मोठी गजाली आसा जशी गोवा युनिवर्सिटी आख्खी एन्सायक्लोपिडिया करून घालता, यू रिक्वायर institutional support. Maybe Goa Konkani Academy or some other institution or Dalagat Konkani Academy, what they have been doing. They have been doing excellent work. A lot of things they are uploading on the website. So on a large level, yes, required. Small level thing, really uploading his own audiobook. Why this kind of culture is not spreading? These are small things. Thembe thembe tale sache. So these small things. I have been running goanews.com, my website. where I offered a special platform for literature. I go and beg to them, they very enthusiastically start, after first poem or first story, stop. No contribution absolutely after that. Even after offering, अशी उदासीनता कित्याक? What is it?
एक रिझन आसपाक शकता म्हणजे ऑफकोर्स हांव म्हज्या जनरेशनाच्या किंवा हांकां हो बेनिफीट ऑफ डावट दिवंक शकना बट मे बी द ओल्डर जनरेशन कारण कोंकणी हॅज हॅड अ व्हेरी वॉट यू कॉल एक संघर्शमय वाटचाल कोंकणीची आशिल्ली सो इट्स अ न्यू लँग्वेज इट्स स्टील अजुनूय डेवलप जावपाचें आसा सो मे बी ताचें कारण आसत की अवर वेटरन्स डोंट फील द नीड टू do it. But I think at least the next generation or the younger generation, and not just their literature, but also the generation of the veterans. तांचे लिटरेचर घालपाचें म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी यंगर जनरेशनानूय जर मातसो फुडाकार घेतलो जाल्यार प्रोबेबली देन इट मायट बी पॉसिबल.
Just one point that about investing time or getting back in terms of monetary. Today, I think writers, I don't think any writer is entirely, Konkani writer I'm talking about, who is entirely dependent on writing. They all have other sources. And most of the writers do it for the love of Konkani, for the love of writing. So I think in my case it has been like that. So it is that, and I'll continue doing it, but I'm not saying that everyone should do it, but I think that is the general feeling that for the love of Konkani we should do it.
I have a small suggestion. There are many websites where you can use AdSense or some other, an ad system where on your blog you can put those ads and someone clicks on that, you get paid something. But those work only when the keywords are ranked very high in AdSense and the Google search engine. For things like Konkani and all that I've noticed, you don't get ads. I tried placing those ads on my Konkani blog. Doesn't work. But I'm prepared to, let's say, scan books and upload them. It takes time. I spend days, hours doing this. Let us say something like the Konkani Academy around says that if you upload, this is a list of 100 books. If you scan and upload these books, we will pay you this much of amount. So you apply and you commit yourself that I'm going to upload these 10 books and I'll put them up on so and so website. Then the Academy would have this whole list of outsourced subsidiary websites which are posting all this Konkani content. And it's very easy to verify. You see that so many books are uploaded, so this many pages, you pay them some 50 pages, 1 rupee per page, whatever it is. It doesn't come to much. But the one who's doing that feels that, okay, I have been compensated in some way. I'm not doing this completely, letting my family go hungry or whatever it is. And some people may actually devote their careers towards this. There's a scope for a whole new industry, a new professional emerging here. Converting all our print media content onto the online world in all its varied formats. There's a laptop, there's a cell phone, there's other things that are going to come out, and we have to be geared for that, otherwise we're going to lose out.
I have a small suggestion in this regard. What publishers also can do and writers can do, basically, is that after a certain time, I mean, whenever the book is ready, you save the PDF file and keep it, and after a certain time, maybe after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, you upload it. Free of cost, provide it free of cost. Or if scripture writers they publish their own book and they have no monetary interest in that, so Tani immediately freely available to books. So that way it can start.
Any closing comments, Sandesh? We come to the close of this session. I would like to thank Sandesh, Willy Bob, Anvesha, and Yugam Naik for a very enlightening session. Let's hope this takes us forward into the new Konkani future.